Okay, Muhammad Zikri Yansya here. I'm here for my task. What is how to use dash by me? What is dash used for? A dash is a little horizontal line that floats in the middle of a line of the text. It is longer than a hyphen and is commonly used to indicate a range or a pause. Dashes are used to separate groups of words, not to separate parts of word like a hyphen dash. Dashes in typography. There are two types of dashes. The first one is the M dash and the second one is the N dash. Let's go to the first one, the M dash. The M dash is perhaps the most versatile punctuation mark, depending on the context. The M dash can take the place of commas, parentheses, or colons. In each case, to slightly different effect. Let's go take a look at the example. And yet, when the car was finally delivered, nearly 3 months after it was ordered, she decided she no longer wanted it, leaving the dealer with an oddly equipped car that would be difficult to sell. In this text, the M dash can be used in the place of commas to enhance readability. However, that dashes are always more emphatic than commas. The second one is the N dash. The N dash is slightly wider than the hyphen, but narrower than the M dash. The typical computer keyboard lacks a dedicated key for the N dash, though most word processors provide a means for insertion. Let's go take a look at the example. The 2010 through 2011 season was our best yet. You will find this material in chapter 8 to 12. The professor holds office hour every Thursday, 11 a.m. through 1 p.m. In this text, the N dash is used to represent a span or range of numbers, dates, or time. There should be no space between the N dash and the adjacent material. Depending on the context, the N dash is read as to or through. Okay, that's all. Hope you guys enjoy my video. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe this channel. Link in below. Bye bye. Love you.